Hi, I'm Christopher Nirich from Ink Delusions, Calgary's go-to expert for scalp micropigmentation. So if you're here, you're probably interested in getting an SMP hair tattoo, but you likely have some questions holding you back. Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'll answer the most common questions people have about SMP to help you decide if it's right for you. Don't forget to visit my website, www.inkdelusions.ca. Hit that like button, sit back, and let's get started.
Does SMP hurt?
One of the most common questions I get is, does SMP hurt? The answer really depends on your pain tolerance, but most clients describe the feeling as a mild discomfort. If you've ever had a tattoo, the feeling is similar, but the pain is not even close to the same intensity. And if you haven't gotten a tattoo before, quit looking for that perfect design. A hair tattoo is a perfect choice for your first tattoo, and you won't have to experience all that pain. Unless you're a masochist and enjoy pain, in which case I can periodically poke you in the eye during the procedure to make you feel more at ease. Clients have told me the pain would be like a 3 on a scale of 1 to 10. If you are very sensitive, don't worry. I can also offer you a numbing agent to make the process as comfortable as possible for you.
Will it look natural?
I get it. You don't want to walk around with a head that screams and looks like someone just painted on it with a Sharpie. I have seen bad work, and I promise you, your hairline will never look like that. It is going to look amazing. I am an expert at creating the illusion of hair follicles, and I customize each session to match your natural hair color and skin tone. When done by a skilled artist, like yours truly, it's impossible to tell the difference between real hair and SMP. Get ready to look at yourself again in the mirror and be happy with how you look. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Check out these photos of some of my most recent clients. Pretty impressive, right? There are no Sharpie heads in my studio. Every client of mine leaves super excited, confident, and beyond happy with the results.
How long does the procedure take?
A typical SMP session takes 2 to 4 hours, depending on the size of area we're working on. Most clients need 3 to 4 sessions to achieve their desired look, with each session spaced about a week apart. Sessions 1 and 2 we build a base, and sessions 3 and 4 we build on that base to give the hair tattoos texture and a 3D effect. It's a gradual process, but trust the process and you will be happy with the long-lasting results.
How much does SMP cost?
Let's be real, we all want to know how much something costs before we commit. At Ink Delusions, I feel everyone deserves to feel confident in their own skin, or in this case, their scalp. That's why I offer very affordable and extremely competitive options, including a monthly payment plan starting at just $47 a month. There is no need to break your piggy bank. That's less than a daily cup of coffee to regain your confidence and say goodbye to hair loss worries for good. If hair loss bothers you, and a simple hair tattoo is the solution, this might be the best investment you do in your entire life.
Will SMP make a difference in my life?
This is where it gets really rewarding for me. I've seen firsthand the incredible impacts SMP has had on my clients' confidence and self-esteem. Every single client I've had has been absolutely ecstatic with the results. I've seen people start new relationships, confidently throw away their hats, and even shed tears of joy when they see themselves with a full head of hair again. Many thought they would never see themselves like that again. And when they look in the mirror and love what they see, it's a deep emotional experience for them and, to be honest, for me. So yes, SMP can absolutely make a life-changing difference in your life. I hope this answered some of your biggest questions about SMP. If you have more questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll answer them in a future video. Ready to take the next step? Visit www.inkdelusions.ca to book your free consultation today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others learn about SMP. Thanks for watching, and please, if you're thinking about hair loss and don't like the way you see yourself, life is way too short. Join myself and all my clients and make that huge difference in your life that you deserve.